Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. This is so much interesting topic to speak on. Well, I have seen a lot of countrysides in my life, but now I want to mention my favorite one. To begin with, the countryside where I live is quite peaceful and naturally beautiful. From my point of view, it offers a great escape from the noise and stress of the city. The name of this countryside is Alex Mountains, which is containing a huge mountains, two waterfalls, and one fishing spot. Another point worth mentioning is that the countryside is ideal for families. In most cases, children have more space to play outdoors, which is healthier than staying indoors all the day. Moreover, people coming in these areas tend to have stronger social relationships as they know their neighbors well. On every first Sunday of the week, there is an exhibition of different kind of clothes and different kind of traditional food stalls containing the organic food tasting. One more thing I want to mention here is that this countryside is so much famous all around the world, and the tourists from different countries used to come here and they enjoy a lot. There are also camping facilities available here, and there is a camping site which contains more than 100 camps at one time. There are 5 to 6 big restaurants also available for the people who want to enjoy the traditional food on reasonable prices. If I talk about the disadvantages of this countryside, it has lack of mobile signals and internet quality is also not good. But it is so much peaceful. You will enjoy the nature and talking about more, there are also some kind of wild animals which can be seen easily in this countryside. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. This is so much interesting topic to speak on. Well, if I talk about the recent news which has interested me, is that the government nowadays has provided strict rules on the usage of helmet, and this is a very beneficial point. With the help of putting helmets, we can avoid different kind of serious injuries in the accidents. Talking about more, the usage of helmet is so much beneficial that it can save our life under certain circumstances. According to our research, last year there were 50 plus accidents and more than 40 people died because they were not wearing helmets at that time. So, in my opinion, this law is so much beneficial and I like that so much. This is not some kind of burden, but it's for our ease. Also, we can concentrate while riding with the help of helmets. Moreover, the government is also providing the helmets on reasonable prices, and the qualities of these helmets which I have checked is excellent, and also they are so much attractive. So we should use these helmets for riding the bikes and make this a habit for our everyday use. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. This is so much interesting topic to speak on. Well, there are different kind of things that people should use to improve their language skills, but I want to mention some of them. At first is the increase of vocabulary. We can increase our vocabulary by watching the movies and different kind of videos in that language. If I take the example of English language, we should watch Hollywood movies with different accents. Talking about more, we should also focus on learning new words and making sentences by our own. Like if we want to learn 5 new words for one day, we should make different kind of positive and negative sentences of these words and use them in our daily life. This will help us to make them remember in our mind. There is another idea that talk. We should talk more and more with the native users of English language. We can make online friends. We should also think in English language. Like it will be so much beneficial tip for all of the learners of English and any other kind of language that it will boost our vocabulary also and our thinking power and also the fluency. Last but not least, I want to mention that we should write on a daily basis our ideas in that language. Then we can move towards the tenses and different uses of that, and we can also make different kind of questions. This will help us to have some more command upon that language.